Last week, we took you guys on a journey to see the ongoing road rehabilitation at the Aja Oasis, and then we ended it at slightly after Abraham Adesanya. All right, and then I turned into Abraham Adesanya Okobo Road. Now, so many, nothing less than 6 people called me and say, "Oh, we would have loved it if I had shown more in depth, to the end of that road." So we decided to say, okay, today we're going to do that. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of our Know Your Neighborhood series. As always, I'm delighted to be back here with you guys. I want to say thank you, honestly, to all of you who watch this and those of you who share and those who reach out to us and say, "Oh, well, then we like this, we like to say this." Thank you. This feedback just has a way to motivate myself and my team, because the truth is, you guys have no idea what it takes to do it, to keep doing this over the years. But anyways, as far as loads of you are getting value from us, we are, it makes sense then. It's worth the whole sacrifice. So hey, if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. That way you're also motivating us and encouraging us to keep giving you value back to back. But the best way to also encourage and motivate us is also patronize us and send referrals our way. Thank you to everyone who is already doing that. We do appreciate you a lot, and to you that you're going to do that after this video, thank you as well. All right, so like I said, today we're going to go on the journey from the Lekki Expressway inward Abraham Adesanya Ogombo Road to connect to the ongoing Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway via the Okun-Aja aspect. All right, now there's this property called Meridian Boulevard. Some also know it's at Paragon Estate that we sold some years back, like 2-3 years back. It's been sold out now, so I'm going to hand it at that point. All right, for those of you who bought into this estate, of course you can see what it's looking like now, etc, etc. So for you to truly see what this road network and the connection is, you have to watch the video to the very end. That way you won't be able to miss these connections and all of that. I know a lot of you refer to me as a live Google map. All right, so for you to really follow the live Google map, you obviously have to watch the video to the end. And of course, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. By the way, happy new month. Like, oh my god, we are in the month of February, the month of love. Happy new month to you and yours. I pray that this month God will usher your steps, will guide, it will protect you and yours in the mighty name of Jesus. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get ready and fasten your seat belt, because the queen of the sky is where she's ready for you. So I'm going to say you at the end of this video. Welcome on board, guys. So all right, I'm already at the Abraham Adesanya junction. Right there is you going to Aja, and this is it. And then if you go to my left, all right, that's us going to Shangotedu, etc, etc. So yes, we're going to be going into the Abraham Adesanya Ogombo Road, like I said. And you remember this place, you see they have removed the traffic light and you see the work going on. Can you guys see? They've in fact made a lot of progress in the last 1 week. So this is the major entrance into the Abraham Adesanya Ogombo Road, and this is what it looks like in February 2026. Very busy. By the way, that's Abraham Adesanya estate right there. You see a lot is happening in this Oasis. The truth is, this Oasis is very busy. All right. And of course, with the ongoing road rehabilitation that had commenced, I'm going to show you guys that part as well. It has commenced from Chevron all the way down to after Jack on the old way. They've blocked it. It's now one way. You now see a lot of people use this route now. So people who live in Chevron, you find them coming through this route. If they're going to VI, they use this route to go to VI, connect to VI, Ikoyi, etc, etc. And they are coming back, they use this route as well. So a whole lot has happened in this Oasis, and this of course has added value to properties. All right, properties around here now are more expensive when it comes to land and houses. All right, I remember in my previous video I was saying it that there will be need for road expansion in the future, because if you look at these setbacks right there. Obviously there's room for expansion, and speaking about expansion, Ajahazis has really expanded beyond what we could imagine. I mean, if you have not been in this area in the last 10 years, you have no idea what is really happening here. All right, so this is the modern church, okay, the modern church hospital right there. A government facility, by the way, is a very good one. So we have a load of estates around here, and shopping malls. Obviously, I said it in my last video, like there's a whole lot. This is Connoy, that's a mall there, that's the school facing it. There's a lot of commercial activities on these houses, and the commercial activity will still continue. All right, so where this car is driving into is the Lekki Scheme 2 entrance, the gates into the Lekki Scheme 2 entrance, and of course that's the Ojaja Mall right there. They have an hotel which is the Ojaja Suite. So right, left and center, you're seeing different malls springing up. There's loads of estates coming up, so many things. Schools are coming up, clinics, private clinics are coming up, houses are coming up, courts are coming up. There's a whole lot that is coming into these houses, and I believe that much more will still be coming into these houses. And rent, for 1 minute, let's talk about rent. Oh my God, if you know how many increase rent in these houses had gone through in the last 1 year. I feel like this is even like almost everywhere in Lagos. I'd had to undergo high increase in rent in the last 365 days or 2 years. I feel like someone was saying it in Abuja as well, that even Abuja had to experience hike in rent, but I feel like it's not as as high as that of Lagos. But ladies and gentlemen, it is truly high right now. So if you have a property that you want to put on rent here, I'm saying to you that yes, you will make your money right now. So yeah, last week I spoke about this place. Okay, I don't know what's happening here, but they've been feeling this point, and I'm just waiting to see what is going to be coming there. Some people say it's an estate, some people say it's a mall. We don't know. There's a lot happening. I mean, if you look at this, my right hand side, is that there's a project, there's an off-plan project that's going on right there. Of course, that has been going on for a while, right? Then let me talk quickly about this entrance. So this entrance, for those that stay in, this can connect you into Ilaja Arzis, other parts of Ogombo. Those that stay in Megamon, all those other estates, you can definitely enter here. By here, you can get to the Megamon second gate. All right, and of course the fire station is on this route as well. I think I've shown you guys. Yeah, we've done the video before how it connects to this road. So anyways, for those of you who have not seen it, you have to just go back before you can see it. All right, that's another entrance after this filling station that goes into the other part of Ogombo Road. So you see that a lot is happening here. Look at another massive sand filling that is going on there. That's large expanse of land. There's still sand filling, and it's a project that is coming on. Yeah, it's a project that is coming on. As soon as I have the details, I can bring it to you guys who are interested in this location. But please let me just sound this note of warning. People still think that, oh, in Aja they would have 60 million naira, they can buy a 3-bedroom terrace. With 70 million they can buy a 3-bedroom terrace. It's not that viable anymore. 60-80 million, no. You want to buy a terrace now, anything after 120 million now, you really can't even find a terrace now for 180 million naira. Anyways, we're at the bend. So there's a bend all the way from the Abraham Adesanya. This bend takes us in. I mean, it goes and it keeps going. So if you want to buy a property in Aja right now and you see the one that suits you, you need to just get on it now, because of course it will not make sense for you to not feel like, oh, the prices is going to come down. Not in Aja, please. Come down from where? If places like Lekki are already buying terraces at 85 million naira, 100 million naira, let alone Aja. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, straight down takes you into Ogombo town. And of course, we're not going to that houses. The school, the popular school, that red building is the popular school. Of course, Citadel Oasis is somewhere around there, facing this red school. Can you guys see it? And then, of course, this is one of their projects. Yes, that is fully habitable and functional right now. This particular one. Right. So yeah, if you buy a property here, you can see it. And this is a mini junction. And then straight down, we're gonna eat the Lekki Lagos Calabar Highway Coastal Road. I don't know anything about it. Sometimes I just call it Lekki. I beg your pardon. So you can find this place to be quite busy now. Like I mentioned, most people coming from Shangotedu, coming from Awuyaya, they take this route now. All right, to connect to VI is way easier and less traffic. Like I said, they had started the rehabilitation, not just the one I showed you guys in Aja. They've started the one from Chevron all the way into Jakonde, past Jakonde. So they've blocked all those Jakonde, Agungi, Egwefon houses. It's now one way. All right. Hopefully we can bring you guys that road, showcase the road to you, see what they are doing with the road rehabilitation, and we actually need that right now. So back to this road. Again, some people will think that, oh, most of these empty plots are just empty. They're not. They're obviously pre-owned. They are pre-owned. And if you want to buy property in this as, please be careful. Ensure that you carry out due diligence. Now, I'm not talking to people who want to buy property within an estate. I'm not talking about people who want to buy all these properties that are probably still owned by Omonile or one individual. Carry out your search very well. Be sure that there's no litigation whatsoever, so you don't, and you're sure that you're buying it from the rightful owner. Don't go and put yourself in some sort of BC. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are gradually approaching the junction, the T junction that links us from, we're coming from Abraham Adesanya Ogombo Road, right? Now, this links us to Okun. So currently now we are in Okun. So any property you're buying around here is obviously not in Etiosa, but is under Okun. And again, of course, there's room for expansion on this road as well. I'm sure they will expand it when we do not have an idea. All right, so you see, proud to this time they had opened up this T junction. All right, so when you get to this T junction, you can just cross to the other side. But because, like I mentioned earlier, there's a heavy inflow of people who use this road more now since December, so they had to block it, right? So you can't just cross to the other side anymore. I had to turn. So for me, that I'm going to Paragon, I will have to turn. So let me turn with you guys. So let me turn. So if you're going to go to VI, you just go the way the truck is going, the way I'm headed now. You just go all the way, and then you get to, in 15 minutes from here, you get to Victoria Island, Ahmadu Muhammad Way in Victoria Island, and then you can easily connect to Ikoyi or any other place you're going to, or even come back to Lekki. But for those of us who aren't going to VI today, yes, we are not headed to VI today, we are heading to Paragon. So I have to make a turn here, and then of course, so this happens to people who live in of course these other parts of Okunwaja, or you want to go to Shangotedo. So let's say you stay in Shangotedo and you came to do something about this, and you're just going to turn here and then turn back like this, and straight down, voila, is Shangotedo, Abijo, Awoya, etc., etc. But if you want to go this by my right hand side, you can go to the other side of Okunwaja. So you see, this place is where you go. This is the old road that takes you to all the beach, Artican Beach, Bugbe, just name it. That's the road to it. All right. And of course, if you're coming from VI, you come, the way this vehicle is coming, you come back and turn like this. It's better you turn like this. So that just eases up the traffic that we usually experience at that T junction. It just makes sense. So, like I said, if you are going to get to Shangotedo, you can just go straight down. Straight down is Shangotedo. I've shown you guys now. I've shown you guys this part. How it goes. It links to Shangotedo, links to Abijo, etc., all the way to Eleko. So straight down is obviously all the way to Eleko. Of course, that's not what we're doing today. I'm just showing you guys how this road connects to the Meridian Boulevard, which is also known as Paragon Estates. Of course, all of this place again is under Okun. I can't say again, I can't stop talking about how this road has had immense value to many people, and it still had a value. I know some people have contrary opinion, but then the truth is, if you don't live around here, you have no idea. So yes, this has really had value to us. And if you know this area in the last 5 years, it's just amazing. It's amazing that all of this can be achieved. This is really nice. It's actually a very good one, because if you know how this places look like before. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We've gotten to Meridian Boulevard. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Meridian Boulevard. Now this is an estate that we sold land, we sold houses, and of course it's now fully sold out. Most of these houses you see in the front are houses built by the company, and people are living here already. So I'm super excited to do this with you guys today. Thank you so much for doing this with me. Please, what do you think about this road connection? What do you think about these locations? Just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be in the comment section with you guys. Thank you so much. My name of course remains Goodness Usman. I'm the queen of landlord maker. We have so many good deals right now that are currently selling in our portfolio. Abuja, Lagos autobiography is selling right now. City View Park and Resort Cruiser is still selling. We have Appleton Enclave, we have Celebration Park, the bungalows. We have so many good deals that you can key into right now. I mean, you see, can you guys see how almost fully habitable this estate is? I mean, let me take you guys down, and then we're going to end this video just here. Thank you so much for watching this with me. If you bought a property here and you're yet to come and start your construction, how about you go ahead? This little birdie is trying to play with me. This little birdie is trying to play with the queen of the sky. Galo, do not try me, baby. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me wrap it up, because this bird is not just joking with me at all. Thank you so much for doing this with me, and I'll be in the comment section with you guys. Please ensure that wherever you're watching me from, that you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. And don't forget, this bed there is me and you today. Don't forget that we can help you own some land or property anywhere you want. Just give me a call and I'll be at your beck and call. Thank you so much. Once again, happy new month to you and yours, and please remain safe out there. So I'll be waiting for you guys call. My number is already screened on the screen. So like I said earlier, patronizers, send us referrals. Yes, refer your friends and family to us and we'll be glad. Well, in fact, we're saying thank you. Not friends. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I really need to stop this video at this point, because this with Birdie is really trying. All right, until next week when I come your way, please ensure that wherever again that you're watching me from, that you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you, oh, double.